you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare eggless Swiss roll cake with whipped cream. Let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare Swiss roll cake. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup milk powder, 1/2 cup milk, 1 and 1/4 cup maida or all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For whipped cream, we need 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream and 2 to 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. First, we have to mix our dry ingredients. Take all-purpose flour or maida, baking soda, baking powder, salt, milk powder. We have to sift this. Mix this well. Keep this aside. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Here I have taken 15-inch by 10-inch baking tray. I have greased it with butter. Here I have parchment paper. If you would like to make any designs or you want to write anything like a happy birthday or happy anniversary, you can write it and you have to flip this on tray. What I have written on parchment paper, I am able to see those. You can grease this paper one more time with oil or butter. Greased tray is ready. Keep this aside. Take one mixing bowl. Add in 1/2 cup oil, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 cup sugar. Now we have to beat it well. You can use whisk, electric hand mixer or stand mixer. Here I am using whisk. Once you see everything comes together, we have to add milk. Add very little milk. Whisk it well. Now I am going to add dry ingredients mixture. First I am going to mix it with spatula. All ingredients should be in room temperature. Milk and yogurt, you have to take them in room temperature. I am going to add some more milk. Now we have to mix this well. I am going to add some more milk. Don't add all milk at a time. You can check consistency of batter and add milk. This is the perfect consistency of Swiss roll cake. It is in pouring consistency. I am going to make some design. In this cake, I want to write MICQ USA. So I will take small quantity of cake batter in 2 small cups. For one bowl I will add red food color, and for other bowl I will add green food color. I have transferred color cake batter in 2 Ziploc bags, and we can cut the point of Ziploc bags and make any design on parchment paper. Here I want to write MICQ USA. You can ask, what is MICQ? It's Mother India Crochet Queens team. I am a part of MICQ team USA. I am dedicating this cake to our USA team Creativity Challenge 2020. I am really very proud to be a part of MICQ team and participated in GWR3 project and received Guinness World Record certificate for the largest display of crochet sculptures. Here I am sharing the pictures of crochet sculptures that I made and the Guinness World Record certificate. If you want to see my creations in Facebook, I will give the link in description box as Kavita Creations page link. Please follow my page, like and share with others. Here I made some flower designs as well. You can make any design or any writing of your choice. This is completely optional. Now this tray is ready to go in preheated oven. Bake the designed cake batter at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes now. Designed cake batter has baked properly. Now we have to pour our Swiss roll cake batter. Spread the cake batter evenly, and again we have to bake this cake batter for 8 to 12 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes now. I have taken cake tray out of the oven. Cake is almost ready. Allow this to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now. Cake is still warm. Now we have to sift some icing sugar. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Cut this side. Just one line. Cut line helps to roll cake tightly. Now we have to roll cake and allow it to cool completely. Until cake cools down, we can prepare the whipped cream. Take heavy whipping cream in a chilled bowl. Add icing sugar. Here I am using 2 to 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. You can adjust sugar quantity according to your taste. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. First we have to beat this in low speed for 30 to 40 seconds. Then gradually we have to increase the speed of electric hand mixer or stand mixer. We have to beat it until we get soft peak consistency. Now we have got soft peak consistency. Our cake has cooled completely. Now we can apply this whipped cream. Now slowly we have to open the roll. If we don't use icing sugar, then cake will attach to this paper and it will not be soft like this. Now we have to apply whipped cream. This side I am not applying whipped cream, I am leaving 1 inch. When we roll this cake, cream will come until this. Now slowly we have to roll this cake. And remove this parchment paper. This cake is very soft. If you would like to transfer this cake on any plate or tray, you have to hold this paper and you can transfer this. I am going to transfer this on plate. Soft and delicious Swiss roll cake is ready. I am going to keep this in refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Then we can cut the cake. It's more than 1 hour now. Let's cut the cake. You can see eggless Swiss roll cake has come out really good. It is very simple to prepare and taste super delicious. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.